Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking to create your own logo without hiring a designer? In this video, I will show you step by step on how to design a professional logo using Canva, completely free and beginner friendly. First of all, go to canva.com and sign into your account. You can use Google or Facebook to log in quickly. Then in the search bar, type logo or go to template section from the left sidebar and now search logo and click the logo design option. You will get a 500 into 500 pixel blank canvas. Just click create blank, perfect for logo creation. Canva gives you thousands of logo templates. On the left hand panel, scroll through styles, minimal, bold, modern, or vintage. If you find one you like, click it to start customizing like that. Drag it to here, drag and drop here, or skip this if you want to create from scratch. Now let's edit the logo. Click the text to change your brand name or character. Like double click on it and enter your character like F and select second word, then R. Then enter your brand name from here. Like your name, and adjust the font size like that. Cool. Change the font styles if needed, size and spacing from the toolbar, from the upper toolbar like that. You can change the colors from here. You can change the font from font section. You can resize this font size from font size tab. You can add effect from here. To add icons or shapes, click on Elements tab from the left side bar. Just drag onto your canvas like that. Now click the three dot icon and align and click layer and send to back. It's look like that, so cool. You can change the color of the shape, choose the shape or go to layer option, then show layers. Select the select the option and change the color. Go to color section and pick a color like red. Look like that. Use simple shapes like circle, squares, or lines to structure your design. Consistency is key. Pick one to two fonts and a solid color palette that matches your brand. Click on any text or icon to change its color using the top bar. Use color codes to stay consistent across all your branding materials. Now, align everything properly. Use Canvas guidelines to center your design. Click Ctrl A, then drag it onto your canvas center. That's it. Zoom out and see how it looks from a distance. From here, it should be clean and readable. Make sure it works well in both color and black and white versions or this version. You can delete this section, and that's it. Once you are happy with your design, click the share button. From here, click download, choose PNG for best quality. If you want a transparent background, select that option. It's available on Canva Pro or free version. Just click download. From here, and that's it. Then click save, and here it is. Wait a minute. You can also export a high resolution PDF or CSV if needed for printing. And that's how you create your own logo using Canva. Whether it's for your business, YouTube channel, or freelance brand, you have got a logo you are proud of. So, if this guide was helpful, like and subscribe for more design tutorials and comment below if you want a video on branding, kits, or business cards next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.